Welcome back. It is 4:44 on your Friday. Thank goodness it's Friday. And yes, we are tracking our cold front. No cold air just yet, though. It is going to be a warm day, but not too bad. Highs in the mid-80s this afternoon. Find your spot on the map. That's what your afternoon will feel like. And notice mostly cloudy skies. Now, we do have a chance for some rain today, but it's not very high. And then our cold front comes in tonight and dries us out. Temperatures this weekend still looking cool. 78 tomorrow for your afternoon high, 74 on Sunday, and then we'll get back into the 80s by next week. And I think we're going to be tracking another cold front towards the end of next week. So we're finally in that time of year where we have multiple cold fronts coming in that 7-day time frame. We unfortunately missed a lot of the rain yesterday. A lot of it has been out over the Gulf of Mexico overnight. We really needed inland. Notice a lot of our area didn't even pick up an inch or even half an inch of rain yesterday, so no improvements with our drought with this storm system. But we do still have rain on radar. Lots of rain down in the Gulf of Mexico. It's a rainy morning down near the mouth of the Mississippi, and there's a few showers back to the St. Mary, Terrebonne, and Lafourche Parish lines. So our batch of rain heading into the Gulf, we've got our first boundary that's moved through, so a north wind today. But our secondary cold front, and this is the one that has the cool air, will move in later on this evening. We'll watch for a few showers today, but 20 to 30%. Nothing that's going to be terribly heavy. Later tonight, the front is through, and then we are turning cooler and turning breezy heading into your Saturday. So Saturday morning, we're going to wake up upper 50s and low 60s north of the lake, upper 60s and low 70s here on the South Shore. So not terribly cool by tomorrow morning. Now Sunday morning, a different story. We're forecasting the 40s north of the lake, 50s on the South Shore, and then look at Monday morning, about the same. 40s on the North Shore, 50s on the South Shore. So Sunday and Monday mornings are going to be some of our coolest ones we've seen since April. It is going to be windy this weekend. Saturday winds out of the north 20 miles per hour. Sunday 15 mile per hour winds. The winds will start to weaken some towards the end of the weekend, but there will definitely be a breeze out of the north. Then our attention turns to the Gulf next week. Looks like stormy weather developing in the Gulf by around Wednesday or so. The big question remains, do we get any of this rain? It's going to be a close call right now. It's not a guarantee, but I do think we're going to at least have a chance for rain by the middle and end of next week. And there's the potential for this to be a big rainmaker for someone. This specific model shows how close of a call it's going to be. This could be further to the north. This could be further to the south. It depends on how the track of this evolves, but it certainly looks like someone in the Gulf Coast region has a good chance of rain towards the middle and end of next week. We shall see. There's still quite a bit of uncertainty with that. We still have Philippe. It's really starting to transition into subtropical. It's near Bermuda this morning, but very broad in nature. It'll be near New England in the Maine area and up towards the Canadian Maritimes by this weekend as a low pressure system producing some rain, wind, and some big waves. Our 7-day forecast, Leah, there you have it. Get ready for a fall weekend. Going to be gorgeous out there, a little breezy on tomorrow and going into Sunday, and then next week we're back in the 80s, hoping for some rain towards the end of next week.